I've been exploring the BankAmericard Secured Credit Card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The BankAmericard Secured Credit Card is designed to help you establish, rebuild, or strengthen your credit history. And it looks and works like a regular Visa or MasterCard you can use almost anywhere in 2026. There is no annual fee, which is a nice win if you are already tight on cash and just want a simple tool to build credit. You put down a refundable security deposit starting at $200 with the possibility to go up to $5,000 if you want a higher credit limit, and you qualify based on income and ability to pay. Bank of America also throws in standard modern features: access to online and mobile banking, account alerts, digital wallet support like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and fraud monitoring with a zero liability guarantee on unauthorized transactions. With that said, it's not perfect. The ongoing interest rate is on the high side at a variable 25.99%, and there is no introductory 0% APR offer at all, so carrying a balance gets expensive quickly. You are also not getting any rewards or welcome bonus, which many unsecured cards and even some newer starter products now offer in 2026. On top of that, balance transfers cost 5% per transaction, which makes this a poor choice if your main goal is refinancing existing credit card debt. Finally, while they periodically review your account and may return your deposit and potentially graduate you, there is no guaranteed timeline for when that happens, so you have to be patient and treat this mainly as a stepping stone. Overall, the BankAmericard Secured Credit Card is a solid, no-frills credit building option if you want a big bank name, no annual fee, and basic protections, but you are trading away rewards, promos, and a low APR for that stability. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.